Chicken cheese bread. Let's make delicious chicken cheese bread. Take hot water and mix salt and sugar well in it. Mixed in-purpose flour. Now we have a pizza dough. We take a boneless chicken and add it a tikka masala or vinegar. Mixed well and stay half hour. Take a pan and add some oil in it. Add the spiced chicken to the oil. We will oil the bread and then roll it and cut it. Now we will put sauce in it and then make chicken clear. And then we will take the cheese well and layer it. And now put it on a plate and keep it in the oven and wait until it is cooked. Chicken cheese bread is cooked and ready to be eaten with pleasure. Delicious chicken cheese bread. Alhamdulillah.